and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
The Ultrasaurs in this lagoon are among the largest creatures ever to walk the earth. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us. With their curved, bird-like beaks, are the most primitive of the horned dinosaurs. A group of herbivores that includes Protoceratops and the mighty Triceratops. Great armored dinosaurs can only be found among the geothermal formations of Stegosaurus crater. Heavy armor plating and spiked tails protect these herbivores from savage predators of their native period. Plenty of vegetation from their native periods, ensuring long and healthy lives for these magnificent animals. Next up on our tour is Hadrosaur Cove. Duck-billed dinosaurs such as Parasaurolophus. These enormous beasts,
This is
like
Jurassic Park Animal Control.
feed
It looks like one of the hadrosaurs has knocked your boat off course. You are entering the raptor containment area. Please, stay seated. We'll grab your boat at the receiving dock ahead. Not get out of the
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Jurassic Park River Adventure at Universal Orlando Resort's Islands of Adventure. By a huge margin, this is my favorite water ride ever. It's just so good, so nostalgic. Jurassic Park is one of my favorite movie series of all time. Jeffrey DeWitt had the most liked comment on our most recent Scariest Rides at Busch Gardens, Tampa, and he said, awesome video, just went to BGT and it was amazing. Thanks a lot, Jeffrey, and I'm glad you had fun at Busch Gardens. If you guys want your comment read on our next video, go ahead and comment on this one, and the most liked comment gets read on our next. I really do appreciate every single one of you for watching our videos. If it wasn't for you, this channel would be nothing, so thank you so much. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.